everyone from Daynes Music here in Salt Lake City, and today I'd like to show you something new in the piano industry called PNOScan. PNOScan is a new product in the industry. It is a MIDI strip that goes underneath the keys. It's an optical sensor that reads the movement of the key, and then it connects through a USB port to your computer and allows you to connect your acoustic piano to your computer. That opens up a whole new avenue for the professional, the recreational player, and the beginner piano player. Here at Daynes, we include a PNOScan feature with every Steinway we sell. What PNOScan is, it's a USB connection that allows you to take a little USB mini connection like this, plug the two together, and now that connects your computer to your acoustic piano. Here's one thing I really like about PNOScan. As you can see, I've connected my Steinway piano to a MacBook Pro. What I like about these computers is they come with this software already in the computer. I haven't had to add any software whatsoever. I literally just connect my computer to my piano. One of the things you can do immediately after you connect it to your computer is you can write and create your own sheet music. For example, watch this. So immediately you can write your music and you can create sheet music and print it instantly. Here's a picture of the song we just wrote and created, and I could immediately print that as sheet music. Another thing that's really exciting about this Steinway piano is we put inside here what is called a mute rail. What a mute rail does is it stops the hammers from actually hitting the string so you can practice your piano silently. You can just plug your headphones into your computer, select a piano sound, and then you can put on headphones and literally practice silently. With the mute rail installed though, you can also access digital sounds, and now you can do all of the digital things you always wanted to do on a digital keyboard on your acoustic piano. For example, right now, I've turned on some symphony strings. Never do before on an acoustic piano. I just want to show you for a second. This is kind of fun. A friend of mine came over, sat down to this piano, and real quickly, here is a song that he created just here on my Steinway piano. It should sound familiar, but every sound, every instrument was created right here on this acoustic Steinway piano. Simple 4-track recording. There's a piano, guitars, drums, and symphony strings in the background. Here's one of my favorite programs that I've added into my computer. It's called Home Concert Extreme, and this is just a really powerful home education tool. I've put on a really simple song for a young child, and this just gives you an idea of how a young child could learn to play the piano. It's just a one-hand thing, but what's neat is the computer will play the background while the child plays the lead. Down below it'll show if the child's missing the note. The computer will even wait for them if they're hitting the wrong note. Here's just an example of how it works. It's waiting for me to play. Waiting again. If you see, it's telling me where to hit the note. If I play soft, it'll play soft. kids to learn to play the piano. Here's a little more difficult piece called Secret Agent. Here again, I still have the computer set to just playing the right hand. The computer will play the left hand and the background for me. I'm still in learn mode, so again, the orchestra is going to wait and follow me. Here's what it sounds like. Just gives you an idea of some of the things you can do to not only learn to play the piano, but have fun while you're playing the piano at the same time. Well, that just gives you a really brief and quick overview as far as what PNOScan can do once it's hooked up to a real piano. We would love to have you come in to Daynes Music, come visit our store and see this in person and see what you can do once you connect your piano to your computer. Thanks for listening.